Number 1. If you don't know the meaning of any word, you should blank your dictionaries instead of asking me. A. Buy. B. Borrow. C. Refer to. D. Try. E. Look inside. The answer is C. Refer to. Explanation. Refer to is used because it means to consult a source of information or to look up information that one does not know. In this case, the question is asking what to do if one encounters a word whose meaning is not known. Rather than asking someone else for the definition, the best course of action is to refer to a dictionary or other reliable source of information to find the definition. Therefore, refer to is the most appropriate answer. The other options, such as buy or borrow a dictionary, or to look inside or try a dictionary, may be relevant in certain contexts, but they do not directly address the question of how to find the meaning of an unknown word. Number 2. Your voice is blank hers and I sometimes can't realize who I am talking to. A. Identical to. B. Loud. C. Same to. D. Different as. E. Blends to. The answer is A. Identical to. Explanation. Identical to is the correct preposition to use when comparing two things that are exactly the same. In this case, the sentence is comparing the speaker's voice to another person's voice and stating that they are very similar or almost indistinguishable. The preposition identical to is commonly used when comparing nouns or pronouns that are exactly the same in terms of quality or quantity. In this sentence, the noun being compared is your voice and hers. Therefore, identical to is the correct preposition to use to indicate that the two voices are nearly identical. Number 3. I am not surprised that she has joined the parliament, as she has always been blank politics. A. Reliant on. B. Keen on. C. Intimidated by. D. Awful with. E. Defective with. The answer is B. Keen on. Explanation. Keen on, because it is a correct idiom that means to have a strong interest or enthusiasm for something. In this case, the sentence is saying that the person is not surprised that she has joined the parliament because she has always had a strong interest or enthusiasm for politics. The phrase, keen on, is a common idiom used to express one's strong interest in something. It is used to describe a person who has a genuine liking or enthusiasm for a particular activity or subject. Number 4. Ariel has no blank directing, he just decided to be a director when he learned that directors earn a lot of money. A. Intentions in. B. Motivations of. C. Motivations to. D. Talent in. E. Plans with. The answer is D. Talent in. Explanation. The sentence is discussing Ariel's natural ability or skill in directing, despite not having any previous intentions of becoming a director. The phrase, talent in, is used to describe Ariel's ability, whereas the other options refer to his intentions, motivations, or plans, which are not relevant to the sentence in question. Number 5. The annual sales of video games in the United States probably blank $1 billion per year. A. Have exceeded. B. Will exceeded. C. Exceeding. D. Has exceeding. E. Exceeds. The answer is E. Exceed. Explanation. In this sentence, exceed is in the simple present tense, which is used to describe actions or events that are currently happening or always true. The sentence is discussing an ongoing action or event that is always true. The annual sales of video games in the US exceed $1 billion per year. Number 6. Fiberglass, often used as an insulating material in homes, blank allergic reactions in some people. A. Have causes. B. Has caused. C. Had cause. D. Cause. E. Causes. The answer is E. Causes. Explanation. The sentence is discussing a present and ongoing effect of fiberglass on some people, that it causes allergic reactions. Since the sentence is in present tense and discussing an ongoing action, the correct verb tense to use would be simple present tense. Therefore, causes is the correct verb form to use. Option A, have causes, and Option B, has caused, both use past tense verb forms. Option C, had cause, uses a past perfect verb form, and Option D, cause, uses a present tense verb form, but is not the correct subject-verb agreement for the third-person singular noun, fiberglass. Number 7. A teenager who tries to conform to the expectations of adults blank often ridiculed by his or her peers. A. Are. B. Is. C. Will. D. Have. E. Was. The answer is B. Is. Explanation. The subject of the sentence is a teenager, which is a singular noun. Therefore, the verb should also be singular to maintain subject-verb agreement. The verb that agrees with a teenager in this sentence is. Option A, are, uses a plural verb form, which is incorrect. Option C, will, uses a future tense verb form, which is not appropriate for this sentence. Option D, have, uses a plural verb form, and option E, was, uses past tense verb form. Therefore, the correct option is B.is. We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.